China's economy got off to a steady and robust start in 2022 in the face of global challenges and a resurgence of COVID-19 cases. Some experts have given their interpretations of China's economic performance.
Chinese economy grew in the first quarter of this year, exceeding expectations despite a series of complicated issues in the international area. Facing a pandemic scene in the center, China is taking the lead in controlling the virus, resuming production and reversing economic performance from negative to positive growth.
This measure of strengthening the key fundamentals of the local market has been a very solid foundation through which China has fended off the worst of shocks.
We see China capable of boosting the economy because it has ample policy space.
According to data from the National Bureau of Statistics, in the first quarter of 2022, China's GDP increased by 4.8% year-on-year.